First aid is always a temporary measure, stuff that you can do to try and keep your animal as safe as you possibly can before you get to the vets. When you contact the vet, it's really important to know what you need to tell us. What's the important information? How quickly does your pet need seeing? If it's something that's life-threatening for your dog, you need to make that very clear to us. It won't always be the case that a vet is immediately free when you reach the practice, but there are always nurses and support staff who will be able to triage your pet. Telling us what you have done on the phone is also really useful, so we know what point we're starting at. If it's something like a dog in respiratory distress, we know that we need to get the oxygen ready. We know that we need to provide potentially a tent, an oxygen tent for your dog to go immediately into. If it's something like a bleed, we will have everything ready in advance if you let us know where the bleed is, how long the dog's been bleeding for, how responsive to direct pressure has that bleed been, and what you have carried out on the first aid front before you come to us. It's also really useful for us to know how the incident occurred. What kind of situation were you in when this happened? How long ago did it happen? How is your dog now? Are they responding to what you're doing? Are they getting worse? So we know we can appreciate how quickly we need to see your pet once they arrive at the vets. Unfortunately, there are some injuries that no matter what you do as a first aider or what we do as a vet will not be enough to try and treat that animal.